Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Hope everyone is doing fine. In this video, we'll quickly see how Bank Nifty and Nifty may behave in the upcoming week, and we'll also see what are the major supports and resistance, where the Nifty is taking support or whether it is breaking any channel. So we'll understand one by one. So currently, I am in a Nifty chart in a daily time frame. So as you can see, I has drawn some lines here. These are some supports and trend lines. So last couple of weeks we had seen a major minor correction, not a major one. So a minor correction we have seen, and if you see the trend from here till here, if you see it is going in a trend. So this trend when it came here, it bounced back, and again it has come to this trend line. I'm sure if there is no other negative news coming up or any negative sentiments coming up in the market, it the Nifty should bounce back from here. And if you see, there is another major support also here. Whenever it has come to this level, it has gone back. So I'm just hoping that the Nifty also will bounce back from here. So that is about Nifty. And let's quickly see what Bank Nifty is doing. So in the Bank Nifty also, if you see, I'm in a daily time frame. This is a major trend line of Bank Nifty. Whenever it has come to this level, it has always bounced back. Only here during election time, it has broken, but immediately next day it has bounced back from here. So again, now also the Bank Nifty is bouncing back from this channel. So hopefully coming weeks Bank Nifty also should recover and go into new heights unless it breaks down from this trend line. Suppose if it breaks down from this trend line, this is another major support, and if it breaks that also, then the next support will be somewhere here. So this is how the Bank Nifty may perform in coming weeks. Here you can see every time whenever it has come to this line, this is a major support. It has bounced back. Only here you can see that it has traded below this line. But if we see this in weekly time frame, it has never closed below this line. So even last week also, when it came here, it bounced back. So this is how the major trend line support of Bank Nifty. This Bank Nifty, whenever it is coming to this line, it is bouncing back. So upcoming weeks, it has to bounce back from here. Suppose in case if there is any negative sentiment in the market and if it breaks down, then the immediate next support will be this region. And if suppose if it breaks this also, then there will be some more fall until here. So this is another major support for Bank Nifty. Whenever if you see whenever it has come to this level, it has bounced back. So these are the levels for Bank Nifty and Nifty. So hope it's a very small and crisp information. Hope it is clear to everyone. Any doubts or any comments, kindly do post in the comment section. I'll be happy to address them. Thank you.